Hi everyone, Alex here with a SSD upgrade video for this Mac Pro 2013 through 2019 model. There was 4 different models that were released. As you can see here, you can visit everymac.com to look at exactly which one you got. You can also see which hard drives are compatible with this Mac on everymac.com. Now let's open it up and take a look inside. So the first thing that you want to do with this unit is you want to unplug and pull this power cord that you can slide this little slider over to the right, which unlocks this case, and then you could just slide it up and it comes right off just like that. Now let's just spin this around and take a look. So of course these are your all of your ports here. On to the left and the right side of the ports are your RAM sticks. And then if you look at it from this angle, symmetrically, these 2 plates, these are actually graphics cards. So these units came in with 2 double graphics cards, and one of the SSDs is mounted onto one of the graphics cards. So for us to replace the SSD, this is screwed in with a T8 screwdriver screw right here, and we're going to go ahead and get to that now. If you're looking for tools to do this, please look at the description video link. I have a very good link for very affordable tools. Now this is a T8 screw that we're going to take. Let's take a little closer look here. I'm just going to tip this up. All right. You see how I'm holding it right here, like this. This T8 screw comes right off. So when you remove this SSD, what you want to kind of do here is you want to grab it at the bottom here. Okay, so don't grab it up in the top. Grab it at the bottom and just kind of wiggle it left and right and just push it right out like that. Okay, so now some of the SSDs that you can buy right now, they come with this little adapter here. You can purchase this adapter separate, but you got to make sure that this actual M2 drive, this M2 SSD drive, is actually compatible with this adapter. Once you make sure that it is compatible, then you should have no problem. For the sake of this video, in the description, I'm going to link eBay and Amazon links on where you can buy these, so that you don't have to worry that you're going to get the wrong part. Your ordered upgrade SSD will come in a package like this. Basically, this is a 1 terabyte SSD. You're going to make sure to align it where the slit is not quite in the middle, it's just a little bit over to the left. Okay, and we're going to go in vertical and just push it in just like this. And we're going to make sure to wiggle it as we push it down. Then we're going to align this hole, and voila, just a quick screw on. Now for reassembly, and lock that in. Plug the power cord back in. Plug it into the outlet to your monitor, and you're ready to go. Now, as far as ordering this SSD, it might have the operating system on it, like this specific one that I bought, or it might be empty. In case it is empty, don't fret, I have a solution for you. So one thing you can do is, up on pressing the power button on the Mac Pro, all you have to do is hold down the command and the R keys at the same time, and this will launch an internal ROM that will guide you through internet recovery, and it will be able to download the entire operating system, the latest that your Mac Pro can handle, and then ghost it onto the SSD. And of course this is going to be a very long process, but it is a doable recovery option. If for some reason that is impossible, or you're having some kind of problems, or you don't have internet connection at whatever location you're at, I am going to put up a card right here about checking out a video on how to install a brand new operating system onto any Mac. This concludes the tutorial. Thank you for watching.